Right, here's an exam from Edexcel, practice set 2. So there's going to be a practice set 1 somewhere or other when I find it. This bit's the level 2 and it's a non-calculator. So let's see what we can do with this. Non-calculator. Oh, I've got all these lines all over it. What's going on there? Never mind, we'll do our best. So we've got 700 minus 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. 700 minus 49 is 651. Yeah. Write down the mode. The mode is the most common. So we look for a number that appears more times than others. So 43, 43, 43. 43 comes up a lot. So that's that one. So we leave that at 43. Right, Ola will run from her house to a local park and back. She sees a sketch. What's the total distance Ola will run? So she will run from her house to the local park and back to her house. She sees a sketch of the route she will take. Oh, so she's going all the way around. So we've got to add 1 1/4 plus 2 3/8. Probably the best way to do this is make them into top heavy. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5/4, plus 2 8s is 16, plus 3 is 19/8. Now the denominators have got to be the same, so I'm going to double the left hand one to be 10/8, plus 19/8, which is 29/8. Now we've got to change it back into a mixed 29 divided by 8, well 3/8 are 24 with 5 left over, so it's 3 5/8 miles. Okay, next one. Samia is making a filling for a cake. She mixes jam, sugar and soft cheese in the ratio of 4:1:16. She uses 32 ounces of cheese. Samia knows that the ounces in grams. How many grams of jam? So we've got jam, sugar and cheese in the ratio of 4:1:16. So she uses 32 ounces of cheese. So 32. So if we do 16 divided by 32, 32 divided by 16, the other way around, that equals 2. So there's 2 ounces for every part of the ratio. And we want to know how many jam. So jam, so we're going to go 4 times 2, which equals 8. And then we're going to convert that into grams by multiplying 28.3 times 8. 3 8s are 24. 8 8s is 64. 64 and 2 is 66. And 2 8s is 16, plus that is 22. So we've got 226.4 grams. Use an estimation to check your answer. Oh, right. So what we're going to do, 32. Yeah, well, there is no estimation because we've got 32 divided by 16 equals 2. And then we've got 2 times 4 equals 8. And the estimation must be in this is 30. 8 times 30. There's the estimation, yeah, which is 240 grams. Okay. Yeah, that's okay, that one. What are we doing now? Jack is a jeweler. Right, he makes a pendant in the shape of a triangular prism. Okay. He makes a pendant from solid gold, and he uses this formula: volume equals the area of the triangle, the face, times the length, yeah? And he knows that mass is density times volume. The density of gold is 19. So the cost of 1 gram is 40 gold. Jack sells, oh, there's a lot of information here. So basically we've got to work out the volume, multiply it by 19, which is the density, and that will tell you how many grams it is, the mass, and then multiply that by 40. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. So the volume is the half base height times the length, which equals a half times 1 times 3 times 4. 3 fours are 12, half of that is 6, so that's going to be equal to 6 centimeters cubed. Now the mass of this triangular prism is going to be 19 times 6, so 6 19s are 3 19s are 57, so it's 114 grams. Now the cost of 1 gram of gold is 40, so we need to multiply 114 times 40. 4 fours are 16, 4, 5 and 4. 4560 grams. So we've got 4560 grams. Jack sells a pendant for £382 more. That's the cost, isn't it? That's not the grams. We've already done the grams. That's the cost. So he sells it for 382 more than the cost. How much does he sell it for? So let's add the 382 onto there, which is 2494, £4,942. Right, let's go for another one. What's on the next page? Nothing. What's on the next page? Nothing. So I think that will probably be the end of that one. So let's stop that.